Hello friends, my name is Amasu. Today we shall discuss a very important topic or interesting topic, that whether agile project management will replace the other methodologies like waterfall or Kanban in future or not. So let's just start friend. Today's topic is very interesting. I hope you would like this video. So first of all, I request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's just start friend. Friend, today's topic is what could be the future of agile project management. Friend, agile seems to be growing in popularity among project management professionals, and with good reasons. Its flexibility and adaptability make agile ideas for project where these significant constraints are not well understood. It also works for customers who want a high level of involvement and frequent deliveries of workable products. But is agile the future of project management or not? This is a very important question. Friend, in my opinion, the same answer is no. Why? Because despite the many benefits of agile, it's not well suited for all projects. See friend, nowadays the agile project management is very popular and very commonly used, but still there are many things which agile is not covering, and you can say my opinion is that agile is still not suitable for many types of project. Why? The value of project management, agile is also unsuitable for projects where the outcome is already stable and well understood. Like for example, if project is very big and the outcome is well understood, so we shall not use the agile methodology there. A customer who is unwilling to commit to the level of interaction required, because we know that in types of the agile, the customer interaction is very high, but there are so many customers are also there, or so many types of projects are also there where customers doesn't want so many interactions on daily basis or on weekly basis. So what should we do? Like obviously we should go for waterfall methodology there. A company that cannot support an agile environment, as some types of environments are there, some types of organizations are there which doesn't support the agile environment, like they don't support the scrum framework or agile, the scrum master or the product owner. They are built in, they have some culture and they want to go with the waterfall approach. So obviously in these types of organizations, and we know there are so many types of organizations which doesn't support the agile environment. So waterfall, I think, is currently the best project management method for clearly defined projects with concrete timelines and deliverables. In these types of in these types of scenario, the waterfall is the best approach still. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.